white. You only changed a few W's,
I
or
only
changed it,
changed three of them,
and you can
and
see where the white
they in a
shows.
row. And the three dots on my red on my sensei, they changed. They white.
You getting the hang of it. So that's what if you read through Sankara, they're teaching you how to do. Now, you're not done. You got to come down here. That's the first part. I'm down by step 6. Okay. So setting one pixel. So you got in your command somewhere the next part of your lab, which is changing that little guy. You
Uh
see
huh.
this here? So you got to follow these directions, but we got to find it in our code first. Let's go to Thani. We're looking for set underscore pixel parentheses. Okay. So let's do that. We got Thani, and then I'm gonna scroll up. And what am I working with? Well, I gotta find, where is it? It's right here. It says set pixel sense dot set underscore pixel Racimon. Did you find that one?
Yep. Land 33.
Uh-huh. You keeping up with me. So you see this sense dot set underscore pixel,
Uh
right?
huh.
This is the command in
Three.
8.
So do that.
Well, let's look. Let's see if it's the same though. So I don't see it. So now that means we got to add it, right? And you see this
Right.
comment on 35? It says
Uh
add
huh.
one
Add a
pixel
one
mouth.
pixel mount.
So we go back to your instructions. It says how. So I think that command is what you want to work with. So that
So we
black
delete.
box.
We delete
No,
what was
don't
on
delete.
35.
Don't delete both of them. Let's first put this line underneath that other line. So type that in there and see if it works. If not, we got to alter it. I want you to try it out.
So Tyler, you said put that on 36 under it, right?
Right. Well, did you find the comment? I think it's 36. Let me see here.
The
Yes. So
comment
put
on
it on 36.
35, so we
You're
put on
right.
36.
You had to be sure. You're right. You put it on 36. Because you always put your changes right after the comments. That's why I like these, because they show you guys where to comment at.
Okay.
All right. So you put it right after the comment, right? Did you save?
Hold on, I ain't finished yet.
Oh, okay. She said, I ain't finished yet.
Okay, I did.
All right. So you saved it.
Yeah, and I ran it.
Stop the program and make sure you run it. And what happens? If you don't stop the program, your old program will still be showing.
It didn't work.
So it didn't make a mouth.
No,
What did it do?
it looked the same.
Okay. So you stopped the program, right?
Yeah.
And then you hit run.
Yeah, it didn't do nothing.
Okay. So did you know what I'm talking about? It's going to change. It's this little guy here.
Right, he had changed when I had turned him white a little bit. That's the only
Right.
thing.
But did it make a mouth when you put this command in?
Nope.
Okay, so let's try this. We're going to put it inside the parentheses, these parameters. Do this with me, all right? So it's 3, comma 4, Come up here to, we're going to change that line of code you was talking about. Okay, so you got Raspberry, and then you should have, where is it? Let me come up here. Not this. Because it worked for me. I'm showing you a shortcut route. Okay, so we're going to do set. I'm gonna grab all this and put it on mines and test it with you. You put yours on 35, right? So,
Yeah.
or 36 you did. So I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna put this right before this one and see if it changes. So do like I do, put it on 33. I wanna see if it runs at all,
Okay.
okay? And then we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna save, stop it, run. See what my little guy did. Looks like I gave him a hat. That's all I did. Same thing.
You say okay. So on the top of his head, he got three dots, right?
Yeah.
That's what mine's got.
Okay. That changed the pixels there. But when I ran just this, I got the little guy. So we are doing it right. 1 second, because I got the little guy. Now, if you run just this code, you get a dot right in the middle of his face. So it doesn't like it changes Synchyre. But it did. Here's why. So I'm gonna put this right here. And instead of 255 and all that other stuff, I'm gonna change a little bit to like I don't know 201. See if there's a difference. So what do we got now? Yep, I got it. So I got mine. Synchyre, try this so you can see a difference.
Okay, I'm gonna log in
All
on
right.
my.
Okay.
Can you put code next back in the chat?
Sure. All right, you got it.
Yeah.
All right. So Synchyre, it works. I just gotta make sure it works for you. The only thing you had to do was like you said, 36. I changed mine to 201 to make it a darker red, and I did in fact get the little guy's mouth to show. So I just want to see, can you get it to go?
May I say track back most recent with call last.
You said what?
So don't I supposed to put it under it like on 36, right?
Right, right. So here's why it didn't work. Remember I was telling you it's 201. We set the other one for red for, right?
Yeah, so I got to change that back to
So
255.
if you change it 255, it'll
I mean,
work.
change to 201.
They both got to match, right? So if you change this
Okay.
one to 201 and the other one is 201, it will work. So you did it right. I was just testing to see if it was working at all. It does. And what I noticed is if those don't match, because remember, it's declared as red above, it won't show. So we got 201 there. I put 201 there because that's what we changed earlier. And now when I put that under that comment in 36, it does show a little bitty nose.
I got a little nose too.
Okay. Well, did you get the mouth part?
Yeah.
Okay, that was it. That's all you had to do. Sankara. You made it all you couldn't do it. Okay. So that was part 8. If we come all the way down, these are other things you could try, but you don't have to do them. You can try it out with your kid. I see it. All right. So save your code. Take that Python file that you worked on and put it into lab 3? Yeah, it's makeover. So lab 3. Same way you did with the other lab. Okay. So give lab 4 a try, and then 6 and 7 work on it tomorrow night. But I gotta get going. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Turn it in.